I'm going through a renovation. I'm gonna be paying everything out in cash.
Why?
Dude, you need to learn how to churn credit cards. Man, that sounds like a lot of work. Yes, it can be a very intricate game, but you're gonna be spending tens of thousands of dollars in materials anyways because you're renovating a huge project, right? Right? Okay, so you can simplify it and not get too deep into the game. If I were you, what I would do is sign up to multiple credit cards over time and get the rewards bonus by meeting the minimum spend. A lot of the times the minimum spend is anywhere to $4,000 to $6,000 within the first 3 to 4 months. For a lot of average people, they're not able to spend that much money consistently. But since you're going to be spending tens of thousands of dollars in materials anyways, you can split that cost among multiple credit cards, get huge welcome rewards bonus as a result, and you'll have enough points to fly 2 tickets in first class almost anywhere around the world. Myself, I am at 600,000 aeroplan points already just by doing this strategy. So I'm just applying to credit cards, getting approved, then hitting the minimum spend and getting points. Yeah, you're gonna be spending the money anyways in cash, so why not do it on a credit card to not only build your credit history, but also to earn you amazing points as well, so you can redeem it for a free first class flight. Holy crap, so I can do my renovations and get flight tickets as well. You got it, man. Just make sure you do this responsibly and also that you use my referral code. Of course, man, thank you, and I'll catch you on the next flight to the Maldives.